Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mrs. your IT teacher, and today I'm going to teach you how to work with MSW logo. Today we are going to learn how to draw shapes using MSW logo. So simply we are going to go to the start menu, click start, go for MSW logo, and set color, screen color. I'm going to take a lighter screen color. I'm going to take cyan, and this is my commander window. So here I'm going to give the commands. I'm going to set the pen color to dark blue. So today we are learning how to draw a square using MSW logo. So I'm giving FT 200. RT 180. Okay, so this is, I have drawn a straight line. So now if I just give clear screen, that is yes, the line is going to disappear. Now if I want to draw a square, first we have learned how to draw a straight line. So now here I'm going to tell you how to draw a square. So here the pen size, if I want to increase the pen size, I'm going to take this size. And now I'm clearing the command and also the screen. So now if I go for FT 200, RT 90, FT 200, RT 90, FT 200, RT 90, FT 200, and then I hide the turtle, HD for hiding the turtle. So this is how you draw a square. Thank you.